water was leaking in our Jeep. And it almost went down and sank a lot more. How soaked were your feet then?
I think you high centered there, Luke.
I got out.
I was surprised I was able to get off though. Get off it.
Before. And I went around. I think I want to be with Luke.
Stop.
Did we high center right there?
No.
What's high center mean?
It means that the hill, you touched on the bottom of it.
Do the deep one. Not that one. The other one. That one's farther. Or drowning.
Yes. Or
Can I
drowning.
spin my head around?
But I pull off to the side of the trail so these people can come out and dumb fucks here just drive right by me.
Well, isn't that what you were doing? Is letting them want to go up and meet the other people first?
Is our Jeep muddy?
I don't know.
I'm separating them. Fuck them.
Pearson, remember when you thought you saw a dinosaur egg? Remember, Pearson? That was the single last time I thought dinosaurs were real. In this life. Dinosaurs extinct millions of years ago.
Yep.
I really don't think I'm on a trail anymore.
Well,
Yeah, I've been down here
the
before.
biggest megalodon ever was the size of the Titanic. More than 50 of these Jeeps. Oh, hold on. What there? I can't see. What? Basically.
Might be really slippery going down and one hell of an angle.
So what you're saying is leave plenty of room.
We're basically on the edge. We're in the middle.
Comes Jake, Luke.
Of it. I see. We see whoop a pee pee.
You hit it with your knuckle. Yeah. I think your shackle kissed it. Yeah. Hey, that's your tree now. You better sign that.
Damn.
What's that? Oh. Are you in a good spot to stay stopped for a minute, Mike? We gotta lose a strap. You're good right there for a second? We gotta lose a strap.
Yeah, I'm good.
freaking killing me. It's that last little hump. That is nothing but ice right there. I don't know if you can hold it. Alright, yeah. This is quite the adventure, I'll tell you what. So with all this snow, which is great, we got 2 more to go, and then really far off in the distance, I don't know if you can see that light. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 onlookers just watching. At least the kids are nice and warm in the Jeeps, and I feel like my beard's freezing. Alright, last few feet, let's see what we got. Whoa! You guys, I don't know if you saw it or not, but that Jeep jumped a little bit. Alrighty then. 1 down and 2 to go. You can't smell it because you're in the camera or whatever, but I can smell his tires. They're getting warm. So you're thinking we'll just
I'll head down there and get this up to him.
well, you got one end? He's down there. I'm just trying to help you keep stable. How much purple we got left? Roll around, Mike. Hang on a sec, Mike. Tell you what though, this weekend's better than last weekend. I mean, last weekend went nice and smooth, and this weekend's going nice and fun. Alright, Jake. Yeah? Trying a different tactic here. Seems to be working pretty good. Hey, we're gonna need you to drive this rope back down to Luke now, okay?
You got it.
All right. If you want to back up, Luke's right where Jake was. Yeah, he lives there for now. I just realized
his lockers are probably working, unlike mine. And that, I feel like it make a big difference.
Can you make it up at all anymore, Luke?
I think I'm bottomed out actually.
He's bottomed out.
Okay.
So I'll start walking that down to him.
Alright.
Okay. While you're backing, I'm walking. Hi guys.
Hey, how's it going?
Well,
You gonna use this winch?
probably not. Ryan, grab the rope. I'm going quick. Thank you.
You going down?
Yeah. I was going down faster than I wanted to, too. I'm good now, Ryan. I got dirt. Not gonna lie, I thought I was going down. My head was going faster than my feet. No, they're on their tablets. They've been on their tablets since you guys went down there. Oh, hey, you did hit him a little.
Yeah,
Hey, maybe this will straighten you out.
that's why I'm hooked there. That's exactly why I'm putting the strap there.
Oh, that's ice. Hang on, I'm using this to. I may just drive back up with you. see what your problem is. I just wanted to make sure your undercarriage is good. And it looks like it's going pretty good. Let's... Yeah, I'd prefer if you guys were buck. Well, I prefer if you were...
We're in a bad accident, you hear it?
I'm too fat to close your door.
You might have to move the seat back.
Yeah.
Ready?
How you guys doing back there? Good. I told Jake he's got to drive the rope back down to you. He's like, yeah, I got that. Oh. No, you're good. When you get to the top of the hill, lock it and see if he'll pull your bumper back out for you.
Give me a good jerk.
Like back up in a good jerk. Hey, get out of the way! Hey, get out of the way! I thought I was going to run over him for a minute.
Never mind, not working.
Ugh. Yep, sorry, buddy. Hey, it worked!
Oh, it did?
Holy shit! Dude, this right here was back here. His winch was completely rolled over.
Yeah. That's why I said give me a...
Your good jerk worked.
What do you think?
Look at his bumper. I can't believe that worked. Hey, you're gonna have to weld some crossbars in there.
Well, no, the bolts were sheared off that were underneath.
Oh, did it?
I hit the guy hard.
Yeah,
Look at
that's.
that. Look at that.
But hey, this stayed pretty damn straight.
Yeah. Well, I hit it right here.
Well, right, but.
And it just went.
Alright, I think that's it for the excitement for a moment. I'm just kidding. That's not the excitement for the moment. Apparently, while we were riding up that hill, this guy wanted to go down that hill. It's twice. Yeah, cool. Hey, Swamp, I'm going to let you hook this up.
Thank you.
I'm Lance, by the way. Nice to meet you.
I'm Swamp.
Hey, how's it going?
Awesome.
I'll hang a little bit of tension on this just so that way you're not going down on your butt with your Jeep.
Appreciate it. Might as well check some nuts and bolts while I'm here too, right?
Anybody got their welder? Got anything you want to tighten up while we're here?
Right.
I mean, it looks like you got a good frame. That's definitely not a stock frame.
The Jeep Armory frame. Yeah. Jeep Armory.
You know, I've never seen one at this angle. I'm really appreciating it. This is what I appreciate about you.
Hang on, let me get out of the way. Brand new motor.
Do we want to grab does somebody want to grab behind him too?
Hang on, you want to give a little bit of tension? Just,
Lance, you want to pull yours down?
yeah,
Keep him from going down?
yeah.
Can you tell me?
Is everybody out of the way behind me there? No, you're good.
Yeah. This is stuck.
We're working on it.
Let's get it started. start going down and keep going.
I need help. This fucking thing, the strap is not. It's like Dad, the seatbelt's locked.
Well, I'm sorry to hear that.
And something's wrong with mine.
I can hook you. You want me to hook you a tree? And then we can run my one side too? Hey, Pearson, you want to come back up here? Lucas, back over by Mike's Jeep. Pearson, follow Lucas.
Get over by that pole. Yeah. A little more. There you go. All right, get into the pole. Plant.
Woohoo!
Might have got a little oil in the cylinders.
Yeah.
Nice. Thank you very much.
Yeah, no
Thank you.
problem.
Good meeting you too.
You too.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. Really appreciate it, guys. Thank you. I'm gonna do it again.
I think that we've got enough people here. There's people way in the back. What do you think, Jake? You glad it wasn't you?
I'm glad it wasn't me. He's going for it again.
That is a big one.
Yeah. I'm a rising angel. Good rising angel. Oh my gosh, we're tipping.
No, we're not.
Mm-hmm.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are.
Lucas, all of our tires are still on the ground.
We were kind of tipping.
Yeah, it's fine, Lucas. Lucas, it's fine.
It would be a horrible spot to tip there.
Hi. He's in the middle of it. Is he in two-wheel drive? No, he's in fourth.
Out of all the Jeeps, he went right through the middle of it. Go pull him up. Luke's coming, it'll be quicker. You did good.
I'm very proud of you.
Well, I needed to hug this way more. The ass slid this way, so that's what I caught there. I mean, I had it.
You did. I think you bought it.
Don't press buttons! No, you effed on both. Stop touching it!
We're not, it's still hooked to the Jeep.
Don't touch nothing!
Ah, we're getting the yankum.
Stop! Babe, seriously, please stop touching it.
Is she just keep pushing it?
Yeah, just pushing buttons.
Here, let it out a little. You don't need it. Second and one. Stop that. In. A little bit.
Ah, dropped it in the snow.
A little bit.
Kyle's playing. Yeah, she keeps pressing the fucking button.
Luke, is this your yankum?
Yeah.
Nice. Hang on, I'm still in the way.
Get the fuck out of the way.
I'm working on it.
Oh, that's not necessary. There.
You have to give him more of a yank, I guess. Hurrah!
He's on the bottom, you're on the top. He might win. Can I unhook it? Are you guys done playing?
Yeah, I was just going to do it up here so I didn't have to hold the brakes. Pull me. I'll show you. We'll go right back in the hole.
I'm taking him with you.
What I didn't want to do on that green one. Follow him way down there.
Yeah. But hey, we got him out.
I knew.
I'm gonna unhook you up here when he's done.
That's fine. Go ahead, Luke.
So I'm gonna hook to you and get you out, and then you can do it.
Hey, I pushed. It was all me. Yeah, I think it was. He had some dirt
Sure is appreciated.
You got the front and I got the back. Well, you can't hook nothing to your back bumper. I'm not hooking nothing to my front bumper. Did you not see it? I don't think he's seen it.
No, yeah, it was
We've
this
figured it
way.
out before.
He hit a Jeep head on.
Yeah.
Both of them head to head.
Yeah, I would head on to a Jeep. Good thing airbags didn't go off. We're doing like 35.
This front bumper was fine.
Yeah, it was like
The bar
it was touching the.
was touching the grill.
You didn't bend the frame, the horns? No. So the bolts, bottom bolt sheared off.
It does me.
Yeah, we were on our way there.
I'm gonna get better bolts next time.
But I don't know where I'm going.
We're loading back up.
Now to come down here.
Well, that was blocked up there. They were stuck over there. So this was just fine.
Yeah, we need to
You
go
got stuck.
this way and then
Oh.
that way.
I almost asked you where your dad went, but he moved over here.
Probably shit your pants.
I
when you
just
did
knew that
one,
up
huh?
there,
Oh,
they said
man,
parking
it was-
lot left.
I mean, there's
And,
nothing. Well, no, Jackson's goes, we no more came to a rest. He goes, good thing the airbags didn't go off.
Did you really?
You want a donut?
Don't tell Jake
I'm sorry, but, you know. Yeah,
Had 2 pieces of tape this time to keep you inside the park.
Yeah.
That should do.
Yeah.
Challenge accepted.
What did Luke say?
Coming over the top of the hill was a little sketchy.
Ah, that kind of surprised me too. We lose Mike.
I think he's checking out the yellow tape.
Dad,
What?
tape you broke is still there.
Yeah, they put up new tape.
Huh?
They put up new tape.
How come the tape you broke is still there?
They put up new tape, Lucas.
Someone else broke it already. So go down. Okay.
No, I'm gonna go pull the other side of.
Hello. 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 No musical Jeeps yet. Oh, this isn't sketchy after all. I mean, you have to hang on.
No. I said, watch what he's doing.
Huh?
I just have to watch what he's doing.
Oh, look! That guy tipped.
Yep. Oops.
Go, I want to see it. I kind of want to help that guy.
What are you gonna do?
Oh my god. Ugh.
Yeah.
Alright, we're here for the entertainment. You always say, you don't have to be stupid. Somebody else will be.
Dad, is the GoPro still recording?
Yes, it is.
You can turn on the screen.
Nope.
Yay. Pearson, screen down. Well, here, Dad,
What?
kind of low battery.
I got another battery. When that one dies, I'll switch it out.
At least I alerted you.
Yep, you did.
Can you say, follow Lance? Follow Lance. Hang on. No.
So I guess that's a no-go for me on that side.
Beep, beep.
No. It's a side-by-side that tipped over.
The fucking side-by-side have a backup beeper.
Yes, it does. Maybe a little.
That's the guy who tipped.
Wonder how that back window is on that guy's Jeep.
Oh, I think he can see right through it.
What are you doing?
What are you, taking a break up there, Dan?
Looked like Dan got stuck. Woo! Well, that was a crazy thing. Yep. Twisted Trails, you are here. 400 acres away from the parking lot. Alright. This can at least.
Watch your seatbelt.
And it's unlocked. Ooh, back up. Did you burp when I was talking? That's what happened to my dad once. Can we go now?
Yeah.
I burped when I talk.
Hey, Bruce, we're leaving.
Yeah, I'll probably come with you.
And Bruce. Hey, Grandpa, we're leaving. See ya. It's Bruce. Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom, vroom. Whee! Vroom, 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 vroom. Whee! Good, disgusting person. Look at that. Oh no, not God. Pearson, when you went down, did you see me just rising? Yeah. Like an angel to my whiskey. Ooh,
You guys are goofy.
now look at me.
Oh, can't see.
Did you see that? Like, wow, there's a lot of snow on the picture. Oh, can't see. Yeah, well. I forgot about that. And I'm walkie-talkie. This is what you get for calling him.
Good gravy. That one was bumpy, wasn't it?
Oh, man, that is very dairy, bumpy, dumpy. 400 acres away from the parking lot. Yeah. That's how far we are, Dad.
Yeah.
400 acres away.
You guys ready?
Yeah. Are we going down the steep ones?
We're going up one of them.
I don't want to go down one of them. Me either. They're scary, right? Sure.
Hang on, guys.
These would be.
Charlie.
Not George, it's Charlie. Look at his name. Steffi's name is George, not mine.
Right.
I told you he climbed up the hill.
Yep.
I was asking where Lucas's was.
At home.
Why?
Because he didn't bring it.
I wanted to. Because I wanted to sleep. Why is he going down that one? I want to go that one.
No.
Why?
Because
It's icy.
it's too sharp of a turn.
Scared me.
Oh.
It's just talking on the
Yeah, I know.
walkie-talkie, we went
You gotta
down
go
the
down.
hill.
I ain't going up that fucking thing. Fuck that.
Oh, come on. You can make it.
You go up it then. If he makes it, you have to go up it. Are we counting how many tries it takes?
What?
This is 4.
You get to the top of that one you just came down, Michael, and do the big whooshy, kick your ass end out. Yeah, I thought about it. It probably wouldn't be good. You're not a side-by-side.
I hear sirens. They're after somebody. They didn't like what you did. They're coming for you.
Can't catch this. Here comes your Dakota.
Like, oh. Oh, they go far, far away from us. Look it up a road. Look it up a hill. Green lights just
He's getting more and more crooked. He's
Yeah, my camera's pointed that way now.
got a car muffler on there.
Yes, he does.
There's radiators in the back of the truck.
Hey, his truck's a smoker. I'm watching the side-by-side right in front of Jake try to climb that hill Luke was backing up.
It's actually kind of funny. Yeah. Why would that little thing make it up that high? Life was same.
Don't let me forget that's there. Oh, now the side-by-side got smart. Oh, he gave up. Alright, then buckle up, we'll go up the hill.
watching all the people up there, just waiting for them to get off the top of the hills. Okay.
It was actually black.
I remembered it was there.